Today, we've got a packed docket. 21 companies reported, but I want to focus on the 6 that matter most. We've got a delisting, 2 going concern stories going opposite directions, a ramen empire restructuring, and an activist-built biotech.
Yeah, the common thread is control changes. New majority shareholders at 3 of these 6. Let's get into it.
4171. This is the only significance 5 today. User base acquired 93.3% via tender offer and the company's delisting.
And the financials justify why. Sales down 20%, operating profit down 63%, R&D spending collapsed to 13,000 yen, effectively zero. The GII Vision 2028 midterm plan is dead.
So this is a clean take private at the bottom. Not much to watch post-delisting.
4587 is the flip side. Going concern doubt resolved. They refinanced $14.4 billion in short-term debt into long-term loans maturing 2032-33.
Pipeline is genuinely active, though. PMDA accepted their Phase 3 ARDS trial plan, first patient dosing in multiple radiopharmaceutical programs, and they're guiding to full-year operating profit on H2 milestone income.
Still a net loss of $2 billion in H1, but the existential risk is gone. That's a big deal for investors who are pricing in insolvency.
5891, ramen chain going full holding company. Renamed Sakigake Holdings, acquired MP Kitchen, and Marufuji Corporation just took 48.45%.
Founder diluted to 14%, long-term debt up 5.8 billion, equity ratio crashed from 53% to 29%. They're converting Gofuken stores to Kairikia and Mita Saimensho brands.
That's a lot of integration risk for a ramen company. The Taiwan expansion, 4 stores now, is interesting, but small.
4593, Athos Capital took 30.52%, pumped in $6.1 billion. And here's the wild part. New stock options have explicit MBO acceleration clauses.
They're literally structuring compensation for a change of control event. Meanwhile, they launched a CDMO business with a Medi subsidy, and PMDA accepted their global Phase 3 for ARDS.
So Athos is positioning for either a sale or a buyout. Revenue is only $15 million, though. This is still pre-commercial.
5337. Explicit going concern doubt. Operating loss of $517 million. Cash dropped from $1.7 billion to $701 million.
The tile business faces structural decline. Developers are actively shrinking exterior tile usage for cheaper materials. They're pivoting to storage batteries and digital securities, but key subsidiaries are still insolvent.
And TSK Capital Partners filed an 8% stake. Activists circling a distressed name. Classic.
4099 is the bright spot. Record interim sales up 34% to $45.8 billion, driven by AI-related fine chemicals demand.
They also dropped their poison pill, did a 2-for-1 split, acquired an Indonesian chemical company, and launched a 1 billion yen CVC fund. Aggressive on all fronts.
CapEx is massive, 15 to 20 billion for a new semiconductor materials plant. They're betting big on post-2030 growth.
The pattern today is clear. Control changes everywhere. New majority shareholders of Pejigake, Helios, and Danto, plus a full delisting at User Local.
Watch for Athos's next move at Helios, and whether Danto can survive long enough for the activists to force a sale. That's it for today.